Here is our list of the top 5 best neck fans you can get right now. The TORRAS COOLiFY 2S is a high-performance wearable neck air conditioner offering fast customizable cooling and heating. Powered by a 5000 mAh battery, it provides up to 28 hours in fan mode and 5 hours in cooling mode, with 18-watt fast charging and in-use charging support. It features 3 modes: cool, heat, and fan, each with 3 intensity levels, totaling 9 settings. The device uses a KU2 Pro chip and NTC tech for consistent 360 degrees cooling, even in high heat. Its ergonomic bladeless design includes a 160 degrees adjustable silicone fit, app control, quiet 31 decibels operation, and portability with a carry case. The Gaiatop is a lightweight hands-free cooling device designed for comfort and safety in hot weather. It features a bladeless design with up to 72 air outlets for 360 degrees cooling and offers 3 adjustable speed settings for personalized airflow. Powered by a USB rechargeable 4000 mAh battery, it delivers 3.5 to 17 hours of use depending on speed. Its quiet operation, 30 to 55 decibels, eco-friendly ABS and silicone construction, and flexible adjustable fit make it ideal for travel, office, or outdoor activities. With powerful airflow, safe materials, and portability, it provides a reliable and comfortable way to stay cool on the go. The TORRAS COOLiTE is a sleek wearable cooling device designed for hands-free 360 degrees airflow, ideal for hot weather and active lifestyles. It features 4 high-speed motors with multi-directional air outlets for comprehensive neck and face cooling. The fan includes a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery that lasts up to 14 hours and offers 3 adjustable speed settings. With a quiet bladeless design, foldable structure, and ergonomic silicone fit, it's both safe and comfortable for long wear. Its lightweight portable build and USB-C charging make it perfect for travel, sports, and everyday outdoor activities. The JISULIFE FA35 Turbo is a bladeless wearable cooling device that delivers powerful airflow through its unique quad-turbo design, 2 turbines on each side. With 58 to 60 air outlets, it ensures comprehensive 360 degrees cooling around the face and neck. Safe for children and those with long hair, it eliminates exposed blades and reduces noise, 40 to 50 decibels. Powered by a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, it runs for 3 to 7 hours and charges via USB-C in 3 to 4 hours. Made of eco-friendly ABS and silicone, it offers a lightweight ergonomic fit and 3 adjustable speed modes, making it ideal for hands-free cooling in any setting. The FrSara is a wearable bladeless cooling device designed for hands-free use and all-day comfort. Shaped like headphones, it offers 360 degrees airflow through multiple air outlets, ensuring consistent cooling around the neck and face. With a bladeless design, it's safe for children and those with long hair, eliminating risks of tangling. It features 3 adjustable speed settings, operates quietly, 25 to 40 decibels, and is powered by a 4000 to 5200 mAh rechargeable battery, offering 3.5 to 16 hours of use. Made from soft skin-friendly materials like ABS and silicone, it's lightweight, portable, and ideal for travel, outdoor activities, or quiet indoor use.